Alright, we're going to do part 21 now, which is the steam chest cover plate. We'll start with a rectangle. We're going to work in the ZX plane. And we'll have a .5 height, 1.9 on the width. Should do it. We're going to extrude this piece just in one direction, a distance of 0.25. We're going to put some holes in it. These holes are 0.281 in diameter. They go all the way through. We'll just pop one right. Oh, there we go. Right in the corner. Oops, there we go. And we'll set the dimensions on this piece. Top to this point should be 0.25. Machine's running a little slow today. And 0.25 in this direction. We'll take our selection tool, select that hole. We're going to copy that. In this direction. .2 inches. And we're going to copy it in this direction. 1.4. And one more copy. Whoops, come on, down here. And that would be 2. Okay, roll this back to an isometric. And we're going to put a hole right in the center of it that has a diameter . This is actually threaded. See if I can figure out the hole. Threaded. Be a 3/8-24 UNF. The hole extent. Hit OK. I'm going to place this right in the center. So if I come right up here on the top, I should be able to find that. Or not. And I'll just place it right there. And we'll roll it up to a front view. And we'll put some dimensions from this point to the center. Maybe not. Here, there we go. That distance should be 1.9 divided by 2 is 0.950. And then from this point to this point should be 1.25. Okay. put a little fillet right on the edge of that. 0.050. So that's where the inlet pipe will actually set right into the face of this. We'll go set our properties. This is going to be called the steam chest cover plate. This is going to be project 21, or document number, and we'll do a file save. So where this goes, if I actually open up my engine assembly, we'll spin this around. My cover plate goes right on the front, so I go to my parts library. You should have part number 21. Should have been there. Probably saved it in the wrong directory. And saved it as part template. Alright, screwed up again. This is part 21. Steam chest CVRPLT. Okay. Now we'll see if I can find it. Right there. Bring it right in. We'll line this face up with this face. And we'll line, just go to my axial align, and I can line this hole up with this hole, and this hole with this hole. Alright. File save. And finally we're going to do the intake pipe. So I'm going to switch windows, do a file open. And I know I got to clean this one up. And do a file save. Get my part template back where it belongs. I'll do a save as this time. So this one is going to be part 23 intake pipe. So this one has a 0.375 pipe. Actually, we're going to do a threaded, we're going to do a hexagon piece here first. So a polygon will lock to this ZX plane. And this has 0.5. So it'll be 0.25. I didn't want to do that. Let's try it again. 0.25. Goes in the wrong box. There we go. And we will extrude this a distance of 0.26. Okay. just somewhere near the middle here. I'm just going to draw a circle at 0.375. See, my centers are off, so select that. Oh, having a good time here. Just use my dimension. Try it this way. There we go. Had to change it to by 2 points. Alright, that looks like she's centered now. Just to be sure, I should just check it in this direction. Yep, she's dead on. Okay, we're going to extrude this. Oops, wrong region. I'm having a tough time here. Extrude. If I use chain, it just simplifies things. The length of this is going to be 1.9. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to extrude this edge out, distance of 0.240. And this is going to be threaded, so we're going to go to our whole thread. Drop this down, say to cylinder extent, going to be straight thread. Thread is going to be 0.375 or 3/8-24 UNF. Hopefully it just picks up this end of the cylinder. There we go. We'll chamfer this edge a little bit. 0.015 like that. I need to drill a hole right through this. This hole is going to have a diameter of 0.277. Through all. So there we go. Now it's got one other item on here that we need to put in. Get me. And there's a little lip right on the end. So I'm going to do another rim on the edge of this. 0.015. They don't really give us what the lip is. I'm going to say 0.405. So I'm going to put a circle right on the edge of this thing. Okay. I'm going to extrude just the face of this. I want to change this back to face. And it's going to be extruded 0.06. Kind of winging this just a little bit. And then both edges of this are going to have a chamfer. .015, or excuse me, 0.015. So I need to probably change that to an unequal setback. Angle and setback. So I'm going to select this edge. Angle is 30. Try it again. Unequal setback. Chain. Yeah, I already did that. Right from the edge. There, that looks better. And this one. I have to actually select the edge. Okay. So that's what it looks like when it's done. Basically that lip, it just holds the tubing on for your air line when it goes in. This piece is brass. So we're going to go to our properties. And material will be changed to brass. Go. Our file properties and our summary, this will be the intake pipe. And this is project 23. Do a file, save. And we should be able to find that intake pipe. And zoom in, I want to get this face. this face. And then we'll line up do our axial alignment. Do this hole and this hole. And that is our intake pipe. Let's see if I have an exhaust pipe here. I should have. Exhaust pipe is part 6. And I believe, oops, that face needs to match that face. It's going in backwards, so I'm going to flip it. And then we want to change our axial alignment so that this hole and this hole line up. I'll put the top cap on, but I think you're getting the picture here, and I'm going to finish putting this together, and we'll end this video.